Hey little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and colorful, a cute potted flower and a watering can. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw the flower. Start with a small circle in the middle, that's our flower's happy little face. Now, draw 8 big petals all around the circle, like a sunshine hug. Inside the circle, draw 2 round eyes and a smiley mouth to make it super cute. Now let's draw the stem, a curvy line going down from the flower. Then add 2 big leaves, one on each side of the stem. Make them nice and leafy, just like in the garden. Next, let's draw the pot under the stem. Now, your flower has a cozy home. Time to draw the watering can. Start with a big oval shape for the can body. Now add a nozzle on one side, kind of like a cone sticking out. Let's draw some water drops coming out to water our plant. On the top, draw the cap of the watering can. Then, don't forget to add a curved handle on the side. Nice job, everyone! Let's go over all the lines again and make the outline bold and sharp, so it really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time for the most fun part, coloring. Let's use our rainbow color markers. Ready? Rose red color.
Wow!
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Wow! Your potted plant and watering can look amazing. You did a fantastic job today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.